Oh, you filming it?
Yep. Yeah, this doesn't have speakers, does it? It'd be nice if they made speakers on these.
You know what? It says it doesn't record sound, but when you plug it up to the computer and download it to the computer,
have sound? Oh, cool. So I can hear your big loud mouth right now.
Yes, you can. You can hear my big, fat, loud mouth. Kevin, I have a big, damn loud mouth.
Now, this is Tristan trying to do something that he can't do. Or he thinks he can. I don't know which it is. His brain says he can, but his finger says no. Or his fingers, I don't know. He's playing Guitar Hero 3. 2, no, 3. On hard. Hard. Playing this black guitar. Ooh, this is a camera too.
No, this is a damn camera.
And I think I'm cutting off the feed right about now.